There are some scattered showers, at least for the next couple of hours before things die down just a little bit. And then they really ramp right back up as we kick it off late tonight. All right, let's talk about this big storm system. Dangerous floods may be headed our way. We're talking extreme flash flood risk. This means we're seeing long durations of rain that's going to be leading to risk for those mudslides, landslides, debris flows, and rock slides. This is areas prone to seeing this where we saw the burn scars, Palisades, Eaton Fire, anywhere we've seen recent burns as well, and maybe even old burns. This is where we could see that potential to see mudslides. Avoid creeks, streams, and high water. No matter where you are, whether it's roadways, freeways, ponding, just don't drive through it. You don't know how deep it is. It can be very dangerous. Damaging winds will also be an additional factor in the storm. Right now, what we're looking at along this atmospheric river is some of this plume that's coming in right now. That's that first kind of set of that atmospheric river that's divided from the second one here. This is going to be the one that moves in for us overnight into your Wednesday. That's 10 a.m. We're going to see some very heavy rain pushing through, really starting up around 1 a.m. and continuing throughout the day as late as around 5 p.m. before we get a small lull in the storms. The second one on this jet stream here is going to be that second atmospheric river right after. That is going to start bringing us more rain from Thursday night, Christmas night, into your Friday. So get ready for that second round of rain. A high wind warning is going to be in effect here just in a matter of minutes until Thursday, 3 p.m. for wind gusts even as high as 50 miles per hour. We're also looking at a flood watch that'll take effect at 4 p.m. and lasting through Christmas, 10 p.m. for 2 to 6 inches of rainfall inland we could be seeing. All right, as we track some of the storm pushing through, you're looking at 11 p.m. We start getting some of that rain, most of the heavy stuff in Santa Barbara at that point, then really making its entrance closer to 5 a.m. and then continuing throughout the day for most of Southern California. And finally, as we get closer to 6 p.m., we get that small break into your Christmas Eve. Still Riverside, San Bernardino County, still looking at a little bit of rain, on and off showers really through our Thursday, Christmas, but by Christmas night, we get that next storm system arriving into your Friday. So take a look at this. This is our numbers in terms of how much rain we could see, anywhere from 1 to almost 4 inches of rain within 24 hours. That is going to be early tomorrow morning through Thursday. That's midnight there. So we're looking at a lot of rain in a short amount of time. And then Thursday to Friday, additional 2 to maybe even 4 inches of rain. So again, areas like Ojai could see as much as 10 inches of rainfall. Then we're looking at wind gusts as much as anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour through at least Thursday. All right, looking at our 7-day forecast, we're really concerned around the next 2 days here as we move into Wednesday and Thursday. 2 to 4 inches and an additional half inch to an inch of rain Thursday to Friday. LA and Orange County, strong wind gusts. By the weekend, we'll finally see some of that sunshine emerging. Into the Valley and IE, strong gusts as well, but 3 to 6 inches of rainfall with potential for thunderstorm chances and even tornadic activity. Maybe a weak tornado, but hey, it's a tornado nonetheless, right? You're looking at a water spout potentially even on the coastline here for our beaches, 62 degrees to upper 50s toward the weekend. Now, the mountains aren't seeing a lot of snowfall at all, mostly rain, but we could see snow on Christmas night around 7,000 feet. So that could be nice. Not a lot, maybe an inch or 2, but really just snow flurries. Our deserts, mid-50s, expecting to see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches for those desert spots. Mark.
Okay, Carly, thank you. In your business headlines, the delayed quarter GDP report is out showing the U.S.